In gas transmission and processing, liquid carryover is a constant threat, and equipment upgrades are part of life. But integrating new systems often comes with a familiar challenge: installation delays. Every added layer, specialist contractors, hot work permits, extended shutdowns, increases cost and risk. And the longer deployment takes, the longer you wait for critical insight. Fast deployment isn't about speed for its own sake. It's about maintaining operational control while gaining visibility into your system without extended downtime. LineVu is a high-pressure pipeline camera system that gives operators live visual confirmation of what is really happening inside the gas stream, built with field reality in mind. No hot work, compatible with existing tapping points. Lightweight, modular design, setup possible with in-house teams. In most cases, LineVu installation, mechanical, electrical, and commissioning can be completed within a single shift. No disruption to flow. No third-party specialists required. The sooner LineVu is online, the sooner you can start managing what's happening in the gas stream. Detecting mist, catching contamination early, making better decisions about filtration and flow assurance. Whether you are carrying out a short-term study or putting long-term monitoring in place, ease of deployment matters. As the industry looks for better visibility and stronger operational intelligence, fast deployment is not just a feature. It is a design principle that ensures monitoring tools start delivering value straight away, rather than months later. LineVu was developed with this principle in mind, engineered for quick deployment, minimal disruption, and maximum clarity. So you can see what's really in your gas stream. Visit our website to discover more.